It is alleged in the plaint and has also come in evidence that when the respondent was subjected to severe torture, intolerable in nature, she demanded her dower, but instead she was kicked and thus she took shelter in her parents' house. Full stop. During this period, she was neither paid the dower nor the maintenance allowance. Full stop. In view of the above circumstances, the respondent was peddled up to approach the family court for the dissolution of marriage, recovery of maintenance as well as dower allowance and dowry articles. Full stop. The suit was contested on various grounds by the petitioner, thus the family court framed issues from the pleadings and held trial. Full stop. At the conclusion, the same was decreed dissolving the marriage, allowed the recovery of dower and maintenance allowance, while cross claim slash suit of the petitioner for restitution of conjugal right was dismissed. Full stop. Similarly, the prayer of the respondent for recovery of dowry articles was also refused. Full stop. Two cross appeals were filed by the parties, but both were dismissed by the learned district judge. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner vehemently contended that because of self-imposed desertion, the respondent failed to fulfill conjugal obligation for no plausible reason, therefore, she was not entitled to the decree. Full stop. It was further contended that the parents of the respondent have given a fatal jolt to the happy union of the parties, and because acting under influence of her parents, respondent broke the union without just cause, thus she being on the wrong side was not entitled to any relief. Full stop.